Hai, Tishas ya. Lapar ya? Kak Lina tahu you datang nak makan. Okay, Kak Lina ada very nice recipe untuk share dengan you all. So come, let's go to my kitchen and then kita masak sama-sama. Jom. Hi, welcome to Asan Keto's kitchen. Today we are going to be making a low carb paratha pizza. We are going to take this low carb paratha and we're going to put all these amazing ingredients and bake it in the oven for a delicious low carb pizza for the whole family. Next, what we're going to do is kita akan keluarkan dia daripada kotak. This is amazing. Dia tak melekat antara satu sama lain sebab it has this plastic cover in between kan. Dua, that we don't have to buy dia punya base. We can just use this low carb paratha as the base for pizza. Making low carb pizza is so easy sebab kita dah ada this low carb paratha and from frozen we just bake it in the oven. Let's go. Kita akan set selama 20 minit. So sekarang ni kita dah ready and this is already been baked. Now the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put all this amazing topping dekat atas kita punya low carb pizza. Bila kita guna low carb paratha, it automatically become a low carb pizza. And this base is gluten free, is low carb, sugar free and also very high in fiber kan. The second step is we are going to put our cheese on top. Cara kita buat ni macam terbalik sikit. Sikit dekat atas dia. Jangan letak banyak sangat tau, letak sikit je dulu. Kita letak susun sausages. And the next one is mushrooms. This is a canned mushrooms yang kita dah potong into small pieces. Tomato dekat kita punya pizza. Sekarang mari kita masukkan dia dekat dalam oven 180 degrees Celsius selama 15 minit dan pastikan kita letak at the top shelf so that dia akan jadi crispy dekat atas ni. Come. Pizza dah siap.